Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the new sports Bluetooth headset from Lenovo, the Lenovo HE15. So this has been announced in India. The pricing is 2,999, that's 3k rupees in India. But as a launch of Lenovo is selling this for 2k rupees, that's 1,999 pricing. And this is a Bluetooth earphones or rather headset which comes with pretty good features as well. So in this video we'll talk about all those features. We'll first unbox this. So this is the box package. So you can see that Lenovo HE15 sports Bluetooth headset. We have the blue color with us, and this is made in China within. So this is the Bluetooth headset. So you can hear wireless sports earphones, and it has these features: ergonomic design, HD sound with super extra bass, then innovative battery of 12 hours, so that's 12 hours music playback, magnetic attraction against loss. So you can see that the earpieces have a magnetic locking mechanism and excellent compatibility with Bluetooth version 5.0. That's the features mentioned here, and the Lenovo branding is there. So this is now available in India for rupees 1,999. That's the launch offer. The actual pricing is 2,999. So let's open this box. You can see, you can also see the technical specifications mentioned here, and all the details. Transmission distance is greater than 10 meters. Chipset is BK3266. Speaker size, sensitivity and talk time approximately 12 hours. Charging time is 2 hours. Standby time is 480 hours. So all these things are mentioned here. That's the product specifications. So let's open this first, then we'll talk about the headset. So opening up, you can see the headset. So let's just take this out. So this is the headset. So we'll talk about this in a while. So that's the blue color. Then you can also see extra ear tips included. 2 pairs of extra ear tips are included. Then you get the charging cable. It's a standard charging cable, micro USB charging cable. Then we have the manual and warranty information. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the headset. So that's the Lenovo HE15 sports Bluetooth headset. So you can see that there is a Lenovo branding here, the neckband, and this has the buttons, the volume up and down, and the play button or the pause button. We have the option to charge it here. This is the charging slot. Then you get this cable, and this is the headset. You can see that the quality looks quite okay. We have this magnetic locking mechanism here, so this can be locked. So that's the mechanism, and the plastic quality looks quite okay. So this area is metal construction, but here we have the pure plastic material. What we feel, the plastic quality is quite okay, but still the finishing could have been improved a bit. But then for the budget segment, this looks quite okay. Here we have matte finish, the rubberized kind of finish, that is quite good, and it's pretty flexible as well, and quite good in terms of the build quality as well. So this is the charging slot, and we can just pull the charging slot from here. You can see the micro USB charging slot here. So that's the options. Now talking about the quality. Now in our testing we tried listening to music using this headset for quite some time, and the comfort in the ear is pretty good, because it's you can actually customize with additional ear tips available. So with the available ear tips, the comfort level was pretty good. We didn't feel any sort of pain in the ears even after multiple hours of usage. So even after listening to longer hours, we didn't feel any pain. 12 hours of playback is pretty good. The battery life offered is pretty good, and charging time is around 2 hours. So we could get around 8 to 9 hours easily. That's what we got. But company claims to have around 12 hours. So it's pretty good performance all around. And in our testing, we felt that the sound quality is again good. It offers HD sound quality, and even when you make a call using it, the sound clarity was pretty good. Especially the bass performance is definitely good, because most of the headsets do not offer good bass performance. Even when you look at the OnePlus earphones, they offer good clarity, but the bass performance was lacking. And here again, the bass performance is definitely acceptable, especially for the price segment it is offered. 2k price segment, the bass performance is pretty good on the Lenovo HE15 sports Bluetooth headset. So this has a pretty good strong connectivity as well, and 12 hours of playback with 240 hours of standby time. and this is IPX5 water and dust resistant, and this is pretty good, and that gives additional options even when you're using the headset in rains and areas where there is water. So that's other options. Now this is available in the 4 colors, in fact 5 colors: black, white, pink, blue and bronze. So we have the blue variant with us, and it feels pretty good in terms of the build quality as well. For the pricing it is being offered. So we also have a giveaway of the Lenovo HE15 sports Bluetooth headset. So one lucky winner will be getting this shipped to their address. So just in order to participate, just follow the instruction in the description of this video. So just you have to follow our social handles, that's it, and just comment on this video and why you need the Bluetooth headsets, and we'll be picking one random winner out of this, and we'll announce the winner on September 10th 2019. So one lucky winner will get the Lenovo sports wireless earphones. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.